Welcome back friends to Tech Unbox Pro. Today we are exploring one of the most exciting Samsung smartphones of this year, the Samsung Galaxy A77 Pro 5G, a device that is changing the meaning of mid-range smartphones by delivering flagship-level power, camera, and battery in a beautiful premium body. If you are searching for the best Samsung 5G phone, best camera phone, or best battery smartphone, this model deserves your full attention. The Samsung Galaxy A77 Pro 5G features a stunning 6.78-inch Super AMOLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate that makes everything look incredibly fluid and sharp. Whether you are watching YouTube, scrolling social media, or playing high-end games, the screen delivers rich colors, deep blacks, and bright visibility even outdoors. This makes it one of the best Samsung AMOLED phones in its category. Under the hood, the Galaxy A77 Pro 5G is powered by a high-performance Snapdragon processor designed for extreme speed and efficiency. With up to 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage, this phone handles heavy gaming, multitasking, and professional work without any lag. If you are looking for a Samsung phone for gaming, video editing, or long-term use, this model offers smooth and reliable performance. One of the biggest highlights of the Samsung Galaxy A77 Pro 5G is its massive 200 megapixels AI camera system. This powerful camera captures ultra-clear photos with sharp details and vibrant colors. Whether you are shooting portraits, landscapes, or night photography, the camera delivers excellent results. The advanced image processing and stabilization also allow you to record 4K videos that look cinematic and professional, making this phone perfect for content creators and YouTubers. Battery life is another major strength of the Galaxy A77 Pro 5G. It comes with a huge 7000 mAh battery that easily lasts more than a full day of heavy usage. You can play games, watch movies, and browse social media without worrying about charging. The 65W fast charging technology lets you quickly recharge the phone and get back to work or entertainment in just minutes. This makes it one of the best Samsung phones for battery performance. The design of the Samsung Galaxy A77 Pro 5G is sleek, modern, and premium. It features a slim metallic frame, a smooth glass back, and a stylish camera module that gives the phone a flagship look. The phone is comfortable to hold and feels very solid in hand, making it perfect for everyday use. The Galaxy A77 Pro 5G also supports ultra-fast 5G connectivity, ensuring high-speed internet for streaming, gaming, and downloads. This means you can enjoy lag-free video calls, fast file transfers, and smooth online gaming anywhere you go. Samsung's One UI software adds a clean, user-friendly experience with powerful customization options and long-term updates. This ensures your phone stays fast, secure, and up-to-date for years. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy A77 Pro 5G is a complete smartphone package. It offers a beautiful AMOLED display, a powerful processor, a 200 megapixels camera, long-lasting battery, and super-fast 5G connectivity. If you want a future-proof Samsung smartphone that delivers flagship features at a competitive price, this phone is a perfect choice. Thanks for watching Tech Unbox Pro. If you enjoyed this Samsung Galaxy A77 Pro 5G review, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Tech Unbox Pro for more premium smartphone reviews and daily tech content. Rock it!